Why should people choose Times Ticking over other watch repair shops?
Well, that's a good question. I think I see reviews come to us all the time and they say things like, "Thank you, Times Ticking, for getting this done. We took it to our local jeweler and they couldn't get it done. Or we sent it out to another place and they couldn't get it done. But somehow you got it done." And I was showing this to somebody that I know, and he was looking at those reviews saying, "Well, how is this even possible that you're doing things that other people can't do?" And I think I just said to him, "I'm not sure the exact answer. I know that we care. So we work at things. We don't give up on things. We look for solutions. We get creative. We have a team of watchmakers here that are experienced and they know how to take a problem and make it better." All of those things add up to choose us. Our reviews speak for themselves. If we get one that we aren't happy about, we care that it's not right and we try and make it right. If we get one that we are happy about, we're thrilled. And our guys kind of live for those. They look for those reviews, and hopefully they keep going. So far, so good. But I think I would choose us just because of the fact that we have a team of guys that really do care. We care about these watches. We understand that these watches are more than just watches to people. They're part of their, family, I guess. They've been in their family for so many years, sometimes generations, honestly. And we need to take care of them and treat them that way. So I would choose us over others for the fact that we understand all those things.